My name is Nancy Palmer. I'm Manager of Development and Outreach for Firehouse Subs Public Safety Foundation. And we are here today to celebrate a grant award of 21 AEDs to Prosper Police Department. Our goal is to provide life-saving equipment to police, first responders, nonprofit organizations throughout the country. And so we do that through a grant award program, a quarterly grant award program that Prosper applied for and received.
Thank you everyone for coming. The fact that we can provide these AEDs to our police officers means the world to us. It's a great achievement for us, and I know it's going to be very helpful for them. We're very, very thankful for our community and everybody who rounds up and donates to be able to do that and support our first responders.
I just want to say thank you to the Firehouse Subs Foundation for their generous donation of 21 AEDs to our police department. These will be in every one of the vehicles that our police department drives. And as a heart-safe community, this is very, very important to the town of Prosper. And I want to say thank you to the Reynolds family for their facility here and for being a great member of our Prosper community.
I want to thank Firehouse Public Safety Foundation for providing this much-needed equipment to the police officers. Many times, officers are on patrol and they can respond to a situation closer than the nearest fire station. We can provide the life-saving efforts and techniques with this equipment upon the arrival of the paramedics who will then take over. So this is really going to enhance our ability to help save lives in the town of Prosper.